Hello guys! Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Today we will read Legend of the Ocean's Monarch. Well, let's get started. Once upon a time, in the deep blue ocean, there lived a giant jellyfish. This jellyfish was unlike any other, for it was the largest one in the entire ocean. It had long, flowing tentacles that reached out for miles, and a body that was as big as a whale. The giant jellyfish lived in a beautiful coral reef, where it spent its days lazily drifting along with the current. It was a peaceful creature, and all the other sea creatures loved and respected it. It had a unique color, a shade of purple that seemed to change depending on the light, and it was surrounded by a halo of bioluminescent blue light that made it look like a giant star in the ocean. One day, a group of curious sailors stumbled upon the giant jellyfish while on a voyage. They were amazed by its size and beauty, and they immediately knew they had to tell the world about this incredible creature. They observed how it glided through the water, how it moved its tentacles with such grace, and how it seemed to communicate with the other sea creatures. The sailors spread the word of the giant jellyfish, and soon people from all over the world came to see it. They marveled at its size and watched in wonder as it gracefully drifted through the water. Some even tried to touch it, but the giant jellyfish never allowed it. It seemed to understand that it needed to be respected and admired from a distance. The giant jellyfish became famous, and it was even given a special name, the Ocean's Monarch. It was protected and cared for by all, and it lived a long and happy life in the coral reef. Scientists studied it and discovered that it was not only the largest jellyfish in the ocean, but also one of the longest-lived species. Years passed, and eventually the giant jellyfish passed away, but its memory lived on, and people still tell the tale of the Ocean's Monarch to this day. A reminder of the beauty and wonder of the sea and how important it is to protect and respect all the creatures that live in it. The giant jellyfish's coral reef became a protected area, and it's still visited by people from all over the world who want to see where the ocean's monarch once lived. It remains a symbol of the ocean's majesty, a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's natural wonders. As the years went by, the legend of the ocean's monarch continued to grow. Its unique characteristics and long life made it the subject of many research studies and scientific papers. Marine biologists were particularly interested in studying the jellyfish's bioluminescent blue halo, which they discovered was caused by a unique combination of enzymes and pigments. They also studied its unique movement patterns, which seemed to be a form of communication with other sea creatures. The giant jellyfish's coral reef became a popular tourist destination, and many people came to see the place where the ocean's monarch had lived. Tour guides would tell the story of the giant jellyfish, and visitors would marvel at the beauty of the coral reef and the many other sea creatures that lived there. As the legend of the ocean's monarch spread, it also served as a reminder of the importance of protecting our oceans and all the creatures that live in them. Many people became more aware of the need to reduce pollution, protect endangered species, and preserve the natural beauty of our oceans for future generations. In honor of the ocean's monarch, a statue was built in the coral reef where it had once lived. The statue depicted the giant jellyfish in all its glory, with the long tentacles reaching out and its body glowing with the same bioluminescent blue halo that had once surrounded the real ocean's monarch. The statue was a symbol of the importance of preserving our planet's natural wonders, and it stood as a reminder of the beauty and majesty of the ocean and its creatures. And so, the legend of the ocean's monarch lives on, inspiring people to protect and respect the oceans and all the creatures that call them home. The giant jellyfish may have passed away, but its memory will always be a part of the ocean's history and a symbol of the importance of preserving the natural wonders of our world. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye!